Meet Kaivac's AutoVac Stretch, a simple, high-speed system for cleaning wide-area, hard-surface flooring and designed with productivity in mind. AutoVac Stretch combines Kaivac's extreme soil removal technology coupled with a quick-change power pack and a unique recycling option to enable unprecedented cleaning range and a walk-behind machine without the loss of cleaning effectiveness. This innovative system allows you to clean 25,000 square feet or more per hour using only 11 gallons of water and roughly 16 ounces of chemical. In fact, independent studies have proven that the AutoVac system removes more than 99% of the soils on the floor. Plus, the system's non-abrasive cleansing action is gentle on floor finish, resulting in shinier floors. When the AutoVac Stretch vacuum tank reaches capacity, simply open the spigot and transfer cleaning solution back into the trolley bucket, reducing trips to refill the machine. A unique double filtration system keeps gross soils from being transferred back into the trolley bucket, allowing you to stretch your cleaning solution further than ever while maintaining superior soil removal. Kaivac's innovative quick-change lithium-ion power pack offers cord-free productivity, enabling users to clean 25,000 square feet or more on a single charge. Or add multiple power packs and stretch your cleaning capacity even further. And did we mention that AutoVac Stretch is priced 70 to 80% less than equivalently sized autoscrubbers? And with so few moving parts, maintenance costs are lowered by 65%. Finally, a floor cleaning machine that stretches your valuable resources without stretching you too thin. Visit Kaivac.com to learn how AutoVac Stretch will revolutionize your floor care program.